Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 4th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is still going up 12 cents, so 1.07%, closed at 11.32. Post-market, we are even Steven. So we keep climbing. We keep climbing. We cannot complain about that. Look at how $11 is important also. We touched it yesterday with our candle, and we are touching it today perfectly right here. Perfect touch. And then we moved back up. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day was pretty much undecided. When you see a small rectangle of a candle with a wick at the top and the same length of wick at the bottom, it means that the stock tried to go higher but was pushed down by the sellers, and the stock tried to go lower but pushed up by the buyers. So then things are in equilibrium between the buyers and the sellers. So it's like a perfect tug of war, and everybody has the same strength. The stock is not moving much. What we like to have is to have an imbalance. If we have an imbalance in the buyers, the stock is moving up. If we have an imbalance with the sellers, the stock is moving down. So we tend to like to have a movement. So the first hour, we did not get anything. Second hour, the sellers lost, but towards the end, the buyers won back. And then the third hour, the buyers, and fourth hour, the buyers, and then the sellers are coming in. This is what has been happening here. Stochastic still super strong on the 1 hour chart at 92. So lots of strength in the stock. We should be able to continue a little bit with that strength. Coming back on the daily chart, looking at the indicators, 96. It cannot get much better than that. Everything is super bullish. We have the earnings call for Palantir August 8th. And usually Palantir does this in the morning before the market opens. It's very interesting to take a look at that because it could impact the market opening right after. But besides that, yeah, let's keep eating popcorn. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link or other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.